Very fruity and juicy.
Very fruity.
Very, very fruity.
Gotta keep it juicy, guys. Keep it juicy.
Good morning, everyone. Today is, well, it's kind of confusing. I've been here 4 days, and the festival is on day 3, but it's really only the second full day of activities. So I think I'm going to start a new video today. I just wanted to give you guys an update if you haven't watched the part 1 of this festival, because I think I'm going to make this like a 2-parter thing. But we got rained out so hard last night. I packed really light, very unprepared. I was planning on having this be my pillow, which it is. And then I was gonna wear a sweatshirt and then have this as my blanket. And it just has not been sufficient at all. Like, no sleeping bag, just my yoga mat to lay on. I have not been sleeping well here. Then my sweatshirt gets wet. All of the layers that I was wearing because of the super cold weather that I was not anticipating. It feels so dumb. Oh my gosh. Basically, I've been freezing every night and I was gonna be so screwed last night. So one of my friends that I met here, Dessa, was so kind to let me sleep in her car. So I'm in a car right now. Like, my feet are in the trunk. Honestly, it was so uncomfortable, but I'm much warmer in here than I would be in the tent. So I'm just so grateful because I don't have like a sweatshirt, and she even gave me like a long sleeve shirt to wear. I don't know what I would do without her in this situation. You know, the days have been really fun and the nights have been really not fun. So that's a lesson learned. Put that in my bank of knowledge, and I will for sure never go camping without a sleeping bag again. So because of like the cold, and it was raining this morning again, and it actually looks like pretty misty right now, I just have been hiding in my car. Not my car. I've been hiding in this car. My phone's gonna die, so I think I need to get up finally. But it's just been nice to have like a quiet, private space. I love people, and I'm a total extrovert, but I also love to be by myself. So, oh my gosh. Oh, I need to stretch. So, hopefully the sun comes out and dries up all my stuff, and then my problems will be fixed for the most part. And yeah, I still have a fun day of activities that I think I will take you guys along with. So let's get this day going. Okay, just to give you guys an update, this is like all my stuff hanging right now. Sweatshirt, still wet. Cool looking spider. Backpack, still wet, with wet things inside of it. T-shirt, wet. Blanket thingy, wet. This thingy, almost dry. Almost dry as well. Swimsuit. Doesn't matter if it's wet, it's a swimsuit. Hat. It's feeling relatively dry. And then I got my sockies that got all wet. Ugh. And I only have one dry sock. So I'm gonna wear socks and sandals on one foot because it is cold. So that's where we're at right now. I'm heading to my first class of the day. It is how to photograph fruit with Absolutely Mel, which I'm so excited to learn some skills for the social media life. Let's go. Class 1 is down. Now I'm gonna go learn a little bit about eating a all raw, high fat diet. example, just ate 15 bananas in 7 minutes. That's impressive. One of the struggles of this festival, and this is like one of the smaller fruit festivals out there, so it kind of blows my mind, but there's 2 things I want to go to that are at the same time, so sometimes I like to just run back and forth, but right now I have acro yoga or learning about juicing with Johnny Juicer. I think I'm going to start with some acro yoga because it's so dang cold and I kind of want to get my bod moving, warm up, stretch out a little bit, since I did skip yoga this morning, but I'll show you a peek of Johnny Juicer's talk too.
Wanted in a while.
Up a little more. So I'm right here at the hips. So if they were to fall backwards, actually bring your heels back towards me just a little bit.
Oh my goodness! There's a zombie! There's another one coming! Oh my goodness! Flying!
Balancing raw and cooked food. First, I'll be talking about a little bit of my transition into eating cooked food.
So we just finished up a really good talk about transitioning between raw food and cooked food with Ravana, or Yavana from Ravana. And now we're gonna go take a group photo. Look at everybody. So many peeps, so many peeps. Hopefully I can get one, we'll see. This, my friends, is Meatball. He's the only meatball here. Hi, buddy.
Like a husky tail.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeah. 9.
There's got to be some raw vegan version of meat and potatoes, but you understand where I'm going.
Speed dating. I thought about doing it, but it's too many people. I honestly don't want to talk to that many people all in a row. Is that surprising?
And yesterday there was a lot of crazy weather, but everyone kind of battled through it, and I think we all came together a little bit because of that. And then we had an amazing night last night. Who had a great night last night? Yeah! Enjoyed it. I asked people what's the most important thing that they had over the last few days. It was meeting people. It was the connections they made.
We all had so many reasons not to come. We all had so much to overcome. Some people couldn't get passports, some people couldn't get time off work.
This is a happy end.
It's okay.
'Cause you don't understand.
Speed trading. This is awesome. Oh, I got a new bead, you guys. This is so fun. I'm so excited.
Let's find it.
You got to know where the river flows.
of y'all. Cheers. Oh, that's good.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another day at the Canada Fruit Festival. Today is special because it is the last day of the festival. Everyone is leaving today. However, I am not, because there is a mastermind class which I purchased an extra day to stay for more one-on-one and small group work, and I'm not really sure what to expect, but that doesn't start till 5 p.m. tonight. In the meantime, there's lots of goodbyes, lots of packing, but we are all kind of getting together for breakfast. Wanted to show you guys what I'm eating today. I haven't really shown you guys a lot of the food, I don't think, so I do apologize. But this is what I'm gonna start with for breakfast. So lots of fruit for breakfast. Usually we get a little fattier by lunch and dinner, and usually it's just straight fruit for breakfast. So very delicious. It's all so good. These are fruits that in Hawaii I don't get to eat, so it's really exciting and special to reconnect with these foods. Well, other than the bananas, of course. But so yeah, I'm gonna go have some conversation, eat some fruit, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. Hi. Got busy. Haven't really vlogged a lot. I just finished up they call it Cooked Foods Anonymous, which I just thought was so funny. And I really went into it not knowing what to expect, but I knew I wanted to go. There have been some like incredible pearls of wisdom throughout this stay, but I would say that this support group was definitely the one that resonated with me the most. I think some of you probably watched my video about like binge eating, and like I was feeling really depressed and just stressed out in Hawaii and really just beating myself up. So, you know, hearing other people's stories about their journeys, and it was really moving, and it was a good end to this festival. I mean, I'll still be here for another day, but so many people are leaving, so many goodbyes, taking pictures with everybody, and just like appreciating the entire experience. It's been really beautiful and awesome. So there's such a spectrum of people here and lots of different beliefs. I mean, health and diet, like, it's complicated. There's a lot of opinions out there. There's a lot of studies out there. So just seeing this combination of people coming together, and, you know, we have more in common than we have not in common, and that's what I always like to focus on. Oh my God, I am living. My boy Squally killing the game, interviewing raw alignment. So proud of him. I will link his video down below if you guys want to see it. Are you leaving? Yeah. Okay, hugs time. There they go. One of the shuttles. Bye.
the fact that you're here means you can do anything you really want to do. So that's a really exciting time. So I hope that you are watching this video and you're gonna go, man, I was dreaming about doing this thing, and now it seems that much more possible because this random dude's saying it, and it could just be the thing that pushes you to the next level. So I love you, I believe in you, I think you're gonna do all the amazing things that you were born to do. So